In this video, I'll show you how to create a cross-sell promotion on your WooCommerce store to help boost your AOV. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Throughout this video, I'll show you how you can add a cross-sell offer on your site cart area on the checkout page and also in a pop-up as well. So for example, I've created an offer that whenever a customer purchases any product from our book category, for example, this one here, so we want to show them a cross-sell offer within this site cart area here, and then the customers can add these related products to their basket, okay, which we've specified in the back end. As well, if they click checkout, here we want to show them the cross-sell offers as well. We can choose the position display, and then additionally, we're also showing them this cross-sell pop-up offer so the customers can add it to their basket or select no thanks to skip on this offer. They can quickly add this to their basket as well. And here you can see it's been added to their cart. So if you want to create a similar offer on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to aovup.com. Go ahead and download the all-in-one checkout plugin by AIO. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded the all-in-one checkout plugin, the next step is to go ahead and upload and install the plugin. So we'll go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Go ahead and activate your license key. Once you've entered in your key, it will automatically redirect you to this add-on section. And then from here, we can go ahead and activate the all-in-one checkout plugin, the free version and the pro version. So since I've got both active, let's go ahead and actually create our cross-sell promotion. So we'll navigate to AIO Checkout for all-in-one checkout. Okay, then we'll navigate to campaign, and then we can click create a new offer to create our campaign. So we'll just click create campaign, then we'll give it a name. It's just for internal purposes. So throughout this video, whenever anyone buys any product from our book category, so in our book category, we've got the book product, we've got the audio version, and we've also got a t-shirt based on that particular book. So whenever a customer buys one of those items, we just want to cross-sell the other products within the category. So here where it says select type, we can choose order bump, which will display the upsell in the customer's side cart and also on the checkout page as well. Or we can select checkout offers, which will only show this particular cross-sell promotion in a pop-up on the checkout page. Okay, so both work quite similar. It's just the display positions a bit different, okay? So first, let's go ahead and select order bump, and then you'll just click add new offer. Since I've already created it, I'm just going to go ahead and edit this particular offer here. You select the products in which you want to cross sell. Okay, so we just click add products, and then you can search for the products, okay? Okay, so once you've selected your products, it will all be displayed here. So we've got two options for this. So one, whenever someone clicks on the cross-sell, you can just add it to their cart as normal, or you can replace a particular item within their basket with the cross-sell promotion. This doesn't make sense for this particular use case. For the display position, we'll show it below the order summary. And then for the rule priority, we'll just set it to 1. So if a customer matches multiple different campaigns, then the campaign with the highest priority will trigger for that particular customer. So we'll navigate over to design, and then here we can customize our offer. So for example, for the title, we can add our title here. If you just add this short code, which says title, it will just show the product name, okay? But you can add something completely custom if you wanted. It's showing you a live example of how it will look here. So I'm just going to remove this. Okay, you can also add a description as well if you want. Now we'll add a call to action, and we can display or remove the product image. Okay, for the order bump style, we've got two options currently. So we've got the default styling and also this particular styling here. So under conditions, we can specify when this offer should be triggered to our customers, okay? So in this case, I've just selected cart categories, meaning if any customer has an item within our book category, which I've selected here, then we'll show these particular offers, okay? So I'm just going to close this off, and to create our cross-sell pop-up, we're just going to click create new offer. We'll give it a name, then we'll select the type as checkout offers, okay? And then we'll add our product here. Okay, so this t-shirt is going to be our cross-sell offer for whenever anyone buys our awesome book product, okay? You can add multiple different products. I'm just going to select one for now. We want to display this pop-up offer. We'll select after a while, and then we'll say 5 seconds, for example. Set the priority to 1. Let's go ahead and tweak the design here. Okay, so we can add our title. We can add a subtitle as well. For the offer description, we can add our offer here. Okay, then for the call to action, we can just add it here. Okay, and this is our offer so far. So again, for the condition, I'm just going to select a simple condition which says cart category, and then we'll display this product whenever a customers purchase anything from our book category. Okay, so let's hit save changes, and then we can go ahead and X this off. So to display our cross-sell within our site cart, just want to make sure we click on this mini cart option here. We want to make sure we enable it as well, and then we can choose the display position, and then we just want to enable this order bump here. So we've got the default or the horizontal style. We want to show the order bump at the bottom, and then here we can give it a name. Okay, so I've just said related products. You can say something like you might also like, for example. So we just want to enable this option to allow our customers to purchase the cross-sell directly from the sidecar page. Okay, so we'll just click Save Changes, and now we can go ahead and test out our cross-sell offer. So let's head over to our store page. Okay, so for example, when we purchase this particular product, which is in our book category, if we add it to our basket, then here we'll see our cross-sell products. Okay, so for example, this audio version of this particular product is a cross-sell, and also this t-shirt based on this particular book is also a cross-sell which we created. So from here, the customers can add this to their basket, or if they head over to the checkout page, if we wait 5 seconds, so here we can see our pop-up offer. So again, they can add it to their basket, or they can select no thanks to close it off. And also here as well, we're seeing our cross-sell offers on the checkout page. And that's a quick and simple way to add a cross-sell offer on your WooCommerce store. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below, or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.